Texting is a powerful tool. You can use it to spark interest. You can use it to build a connection. You can use it to kindle desire and passion. You can use it to rouse interest, spike attention, and keep a man so intrigued by you that he can't help but hang on to your every word. You can use texting to make a man you have just met fall in love with you. And you can use it to promote playfulness, ignite desire, and sustain the passion so that the man you are in a relationship with remains obsessed over you. What do you say in a text message to inspire passion, love, and adoration? How do you make a man think about and yearn for you? How do you make him go gaga for you? The following tips may help. Make your text messages reflect that you are a unique, different, and captivating character, with maybe a touch of being wonderfully unpredictable and unconventional. Men love women who are sassy and self-assured, women who dare to be different, make no excuses for their interests, and are happy in their own skin. They find them sexy. Hi. I drove up to the hills before break of dawn today to enjoy the cool soft breeze on my skin and wait for the sun to rise. This text message demonstrates that you are cool, hip, and adventurous, and that being with you will add adventure, fun, and creativity to his life. It shows him that you find fun things to do on your own and that you don't need him to always take the lead to make life more interesting. Tip: always tell things as they are. Choose to share the things that you do that he may find interesting. Do not fabricate things. Warm his heart up by saying cute little things that suggest that you find him attractive. Hi. I'm lying awake tonight with a funny smile on my face. Can't help thinking about you and the fun things we did tonight. Your man will be overjoyed to know that he made a strong impression on you. The thought that you can't sleep because you are thinking of him will thrill him no end. My friend Julia just can't get over how lucky I am to have met you. I told her you were off limits, haha. I promised her I'd ask you if you had a friend who is exactly like you. This text message is likely to flatter your man and make his heart flutter. Without being too obvious about it, you are telling him that you find him attractive, and being funny and cute about it, too. And men simply love cute. It makes them feel strong and manly, and ready to take on the world for you. Men don't let on, but they do like being told that they are the best. One other thing that this text message has going for it is that it is not too gushy. It suggests that you find the man attractive without going overboard about it. It doesn't give any hint of expectations, which can turn off a guy big time, especially at the start of a relationship. It is fresh, appealing, and, yes, cute. Do not always expect the man to call every single shot. Take the lead sometimes. Be upfront. Hey, want to have after dinner drinks tonight? Men tend to find straight up messages like this hot. It sends the signal that you are confident, secure, and no nonsense. You go after what you want. You may want him to take the lead, but you are also willing to do your share to add spark and fun to the relationship. A man who is pursuing you likes it when you reciprocate and show warmth and interest. He is likely to lose drive when you always play hard to get and show no initiative to reach out to him. A text message like the one above is likely to make his heart beat faster and inspire him to pursue you all the more. Hi. I heard about this fun concert that I am sure we will both enjoy. Let's do it. Your man will find this message sexy and alluring. It shows confidence. It indicates that you find him fun, that you are into him, and suggests that you feel confident that he feels the same way about you, too, which is sexy and cute at the same time. Don't send him a torrent of text messages. Texting is fun, especially when it is give and take. Wait for your man to respond to your text message. Refrain from sending him one text after the other. Men are turned off by women who are too needy or clingy. Show that you are interested in him, but that you have a happy and fulfilling life of your own, too, and he is likely to find you appealing, and pursue you harder. Use text messages to spark up your love life. All you need is a little insight into how a man thinks, plus the patience to create delightful little messages to capture his interest and make him think about you all the time.